Welcome back, traders. Happy to have you here today. In this short video, I will show you how to implement the volume-based support and resistance zones indicator strategy in combination with price action candlesticks to build a powerful trading strategy in the market. I will also show you my 100 times backtested result in a row based on the volume-based support and resistance zones indicator trading strategy concept. What's the volume-based support and resistance zones indicator all about? The volume-based support and resistance zones indicator is the new and improved version of the support and resistance zones indicator. This indicator is based on high volume at fractal lows or fractal highs, with the zones based on the size of the wick for that time frame's candle, thereby helping traders to visualize which price levels are of the most significant zones for either reversals or continuation of a trend whenever the zones are broken and then retested. To apply the first indicator on the chart, type the volume-based support and resistance zones and select the volume-based support and resistance zones indicator by Tommy F1001. As we can see, here's the trading indicator on our trading chart. We can see this trading indicator has different rectangular boxes with different colors. To learn more about this trading indicator, we need to check out the parameter settings. To do this, we simply need to right-click on any of the indicator rectangular boxes. Navigate downward and select the Settings option here. Selecting this will pop up the Parameter Settings tab. Under the Input option here, we can see there are a lot of value options. Do not get overwhelmed with all these value options here. All we need to identify and set are the timeframe support and resistance rectangular boxes and colors. We will need to assign different colors for each time frame we wish to monitor or analyze for trade opportunities in the market. I personally prefer to analyze the market from the weekly time frame all the way down to the 1-hour time frame. You may choose any time frame of your choice with respect to your personal trading methodology. Let's scroll down to time frame 2 settings. The time frame 2 settings is the most important settings for us because we wish to apply this trading strategy on the 4-hour time frame. The time frame 2 settings option is for the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour resistance color can be modified to be pink. The 4-hour support color can be modified to be yellow. Ignore the style and visibility settings. That's all with this indicator settings. We can see there are labelings of each time frame on the right-hand side of the chart here. Take note, as a trader, you can modify the support and resistance level to the color of choice. Also, this trading indicator strategy is more reliable and powerful on the higher time frame. Therefore, we will trade from the 4-hour time frame. How can we execute a buy setup trading strategy with this indicator on the 4-hour chart? Step 1. We need to monitor each candlestick at the 4-hour support of the yellow color zones. The second step is to ensure price makes higher-low swings. The third step is to execute a buy entry at the second successful formation of a higher-low swing, as we can see here. After the indicator transformed into a yellow support color here, price went above and another yellow support level transformed price into a second higher-low swing here. The buy entry zone would be at the formation of the next bullish candlestick here. Stop loss is suitable below the low of the second higher low here. Take profit target can be set as 1.5 risk to reward ratio. or close buy trade when there's formation of a lower high in relation to a pink color zone. How can we execute a sell setup trading strategy with this indicator on the 4-hour chart? Step 1 is to ensure price makes lower high swings. The second step is to execute a sell entry at the second successful formation of a lower high swing, as we can see here. After the indicator transformed into a pink resistance color here, price went below and another pink resistance level transformed price into a second lower high swing here. The sell entry zone would be at the formation of the next bearish candlestick here. Stop loss is suitable above the high of the second lower high here. Take profit target can be set as 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Or close sell trade when there's formation of a higher low in relation to a yellow color zones. Now that we have known how to implement this trading strategy for buy and sell setup in the market, it's time we proceed to my 100 times back-tested trading result with this trading strategy concept based on the 4-hour time frame on the Australian dollars paired against the Japanese yen chart. Result after executing 100 trades for 5 days in the Forex market with this trading strategy on the 4-hour time frame. I implemented the 1-to-3 ratio. On each trade, I risk $1,000 for a profit target of $3,000. I got 60 wins and 40 losses. My record of most consistent wins in a row is 6, and most losing streak in a row is 4. The gain on the trading account is 25%. This is a good trading record. Make sure you keep note of your chosen key level colors and apply this trading strategy on the higher time frame.